you're having an awesome day. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.
It's a nice sunshiny day to be up high, huh?
Well, it gets more interesting as it gets hot. That's when the black is here.
Morning, Steve.
We can't complain. Our rig stayed 82 degrees yesterday.
Yeah. One of my former jobs, people like, "How you doing, man?" So we're having all kinds of fun. You're up to your armpits in mud. Uh-huh. You have a different definition of fun.
There you go.
Yeah.
Even
Morning.
a lot of work's fun, you know, as long as you enjoy it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was freezing here.
Freezing last year?
Yeah, it was cold. Well, to me, I probably.
At night it was cold. I was looking for my beanie hat. Need an outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're looking for a turkey project.
Shelter, water, fire, food. That's the sacred order, dude. That will help you remember. So,
Bumper here.
4. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Rubber Chicken Guy.
Rubber chicken guy.
I tell people to don't be a chicken, do what they love. And I'm traveling around in my RV, inspiring people and speaking all over the country and giving them tiny little 1-inch chickens that I'm carrying a message on that a friend of mine was killed in a terrorist attack, and he did the same thing. Giving away 10,000 little tiny rubber chickens to people. I've got about 9,000 left. So don't be a chicken, do what you love.
Amen.
Cool. So this underneath hitch, she's got a receiver that comes back and her generator sits back here on it. And it's already busted a couple of these bolts. So we're actually going to move it back. And there's a big piece of C-channel back there that's tied to the main frame, so it's pretty strong. So we're moving this back. We're going to clean it and weld it to that, and we can get some good welds on it, and then we're still going to put 2 bolts in it. So, because she was afraid of the generator coming off and it meeting the car behind her. So she didn't
We're
want to
fixing
do
a
that.
lot of safety issues here, aren't we?
Yeah. Most of these things, just like this guy here, if that bike would ever come off, that's like I said, 300-pound bike. I'd hate to be behind him and make love to that bike as you're driving by it. That'd be scary. But anyhow, got a busy day, I think. Tight schedule, so we'll keep track of what we're doing and get it on video.
It's 20 right here. Right here, yeah. I'm probably gonna have to move my phone. Oh yeah, it's like super tall. It goes way up here. The door's gonna be on this side.
This morning we finishing up this and redoing a couple welds we did after dark last night. You think you can see with the arc, but what we did with this trailer, it was pretty loose, ready to come all apart. Now, at one time it was a tilt trailer. So we took all the tilt stuff off of it and actually welded it together. Then we put these 2 side braces on it. And what she does, she uses this tote to haul all of her stuff around because she lives in like a caravan, maybe a Dodge. I don't know if it's Dodge or whatever it is. And so she needs more room. And her shower and her hot water and all that's out here. And we designed this. She's going to put an ice box here and strap it down. So we needed this pretty stiff. And then she had no way to lift it or nothing else. And the same thing, I told her like a $40 wheel she could get, you know, at Harbor Freight, the crank, and you know, the same thing with a lot of these people. She said she didn't have $3, more or less $40. So this jack right here, somebody donated those. So, and she's got a 3/4 inch socket. So now you just have to put that on there. And she can lower it or raise it. We got little titties on the side, so it can't come off when she's doing it. So hers is done.
Good job.
The customer is required to wire brush and paint it themselves. Yeah. Good morning. This is a new episode of Welder Will Travel. We're down here in Parkland, Arizona, helping people out so they can get on their way.
And our new friend?
Chantel.
Hi, Chantel.
And we're gonna put in this swivel for her so she can turn her seat around and use it either forward or backwards. So that's what we're doing. It don't look like too bad of a job. No welding, so there should be like a drill hole shop.
Hi, I'm Wanderboom. John, you want to say hello? Be on camera.
I'm just John.
You're just John.
John the Master Cat.
Well, you guys are wonderful for helping Cece out.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.